Hello, welcome back. Quick update. You guys are probably wondering where the tech channel videos are. It's been a very long time. Also, you're probably wondering, those of you who know what's been going on with the PC, where that's at in terms of getting that to work again. Obviously, you can see the screensaver running in the background. That doesn't mean everything's good to go, though. So, quick update for the tech channel. Sorry it's been taking so long to get back to making videos. Unfortunately, I'm recording so much footage right now. The thing is, with trying to get the PC fixed and all that, it's been something like 6 or 7 months. I was really surprised at how long it's been. Like, it felt like only half of that length, so sorry about that. Basically, long story short, different things happened in real life that I had to spend time doing other things for maybe a month or two, and then the PC died on me. Corrupted the Windows install for whatever reason. I might have just found the reason, not sure, finally. But it did that, and I tried to fix it. It was like everything, basically every obstacle you can possibly get in trying to get a PC fixed, I was getting. Good news is I've learned a lot about how the PC boot process works. So we should be able to, and how the reinstall process and everything, a whole bunch of things related to that. So we should be able to make better tech videos in the future. So I was trying to fix that, and then of course real life things that I didn't plan on kind of got in the way for, I don't know, maybe it was a month or two. It was actually longer than it felt like it was. Finally got back to working on fixing the PC, and it's almost good to go, I think. Except that we've just had more stuff go wrong. But as far as tech channel videos go, I'm really excited to be getting back into that as soon as possible. Things keep getting in the way. I keep trying. So I've been recording so much footage. Things like, and I don't know how much of it's going to be usable, like things like trying to fix the PC. You know, I'm just like recording, documenting the whole process. And then I'm going to have to go through the tons and tons of footage and see, like, you know, 15 ways or something didn't work, and actually 15 ways not to fix a PC might be an interesting video idea. But anyway, I'm going to have to see what footage is usable, how that all is going to work, so that might take some time. But I'm working on other videos for the tech channel as well, recording all this at the same time. Like, I bought a bunch of USB sticks as part of the whole process and decided to make videos about this, so hopefully some of these videos will turn out well, will work out. So you guys may be asking, how long until the tech videos start coming out again? I keep hoping not too long. Unfortunately, I can't really give a timeline, because every time I think this is going to be simple, this whole process fixing the PC and all that, which I'd like to get it back up and running before we actually start, like, getting into the tech videos again, and every time I think it's almost done, there's another monkey wrench thrown into the process. Like the most recent one, for those of you wondering about where I'm at fixing my Windows installation and that kind of thing that corrupted, it was pretty much good to go. Just putting some final things in place, and go to plug in the microphone. I have a microphone adapter, microphone to USB-C adapter, if you can sort of see the USB-C. And I went and touched it to the computer case. I didn't even plug it in. I was trying to plug it in. I just touched it, and the whole PC died. And so it's like, okay, what's up with that? That causes potentially huge monkey wrenches that may take a long time to solve. There could be two things going on there. One, it could be just a one-off thing that happened. I doubt it, though, because it seems to me the PC was randomly dying before it corrupted in the first place. So what seems more likely is that either the port is damaged in the PC or the adapter is damaged somehow, which leaves us with a lot of complications. The weirdest thing is how I didn't even plug it in. I just touched it on the outside of the case of the computer, like the outside of the port there. So, I don't know, maybe it's a grounding issue, perhaps to do with the cable that was coming out of it connected to something else. If so, that's a completely different problem and solution. There's two potential solutions. You say, why not just plug your microphone into a different port, not even use this adapter? The reason I'm using this adapter is because my microphone setup is kind of weird, and it doesn't work very well in any other port that I have. So that would take a lot of calibrating, a lot of noise suppression, whatever else, and that would take quite a bit of time to fix that, potentially, depending how smoothly it goes. Because I have to boost the mic volume so much for that particular mic setup that you just get so much noise through the port that it's not really good. The second solution is to find out, was that just a one-off situation or is there something broken? And is it the port or is it the adapter? Now, the only other USB-C device that I own is this USB stick that I just bought, which has a USB-C connection on it. But for the tech channel videos, I was planning to do an unboxing of this, not that there's that much to see necessarily, so I don't know if the video will work out or not. But I was planning to do unboxing, showing all that. And if the port's damaged, you obviously want to test the other USB connection. It has two on this stick. You want to test the other connection and do everything you can with it before plugging it into a port that is potentially damaged and could fry it, right? So I need to do a video about that, probably 2 videos. But that leads us to another monkey wrench in the fact that before I can even record videos about this, my hard drive that I store all the videos on, multiple terabyte hard drive, is completely full. Like, completely full. So, I bought another hard drive, but I want to do an unboxing video for you guys, for one thing. Start with an unboxing. Also show you guys how to set this up as a network storage like I do all the time. Plug it into the Mac, use it as a network storage so that all of your computers can access the same drive. Different things like that, so I need to record videos about this, setting this up, before I can record the videos about the USB stick, because I don't have space to record them, and I need to do that before I try this thing in the USB-C port to see if, like, what is the issue going on there. So that would take a significant amount of time, recording all those videos, setting up the hard drive properly, doing all that kind of stuff, and that would all be time before finishing fixing the PC, if we go that route. If we go the other route, I'd have to try to recalibrate the mic, try to find a port that works. The front panel is pretty much garbage as far as the mic goes. And in the meantime, you're welcome to join the live streams on any of my Minecraft channels. We talk about tech different times during the streams, in the meantime, until I can actually get more tech videos out on the tech channel.